Okay, first of all, right click the song you want, scroll down to Show in Windows Explorer, click on it. Make it big. Okay, now hit your Alt button on your keyboard, go over to Tools, Folder Options, View, scroll down till you see the Hide Extensions for Known File Types. Make sure that it's unchecked. Then click Apply and OK. Exit out of that. Go back to your song that you want. Right click again. Get Info. Make sure you're under the Options tab. Click Start Time, Stop Time. And on my start time, I want 33 seconds. On my stop time, make sure it's 30 seconds long. 1:33, no, 1:03. Click OK. Go back up to your song, right click it. Go down to Create AAC Version. And it's right there. Make your iTunes smaller. Okay. Now find the one you want, click on it. Just to make sure that it's good. Okay. Now click on it. Drag it to your desktop. Okay. Now right click on it and rename it. And it says M4A. You want it to say M4R. Hit enter. Click yes. Okay. Now go back into your iTunes where it's the 30-second one and delete it. Be sure to delete it before you do the next step. Okay. Then grab it, drop it down into your deal, click Tones, and there it is, right there. Now all you have to do is plug your phone in, go to your phone, make sure all tones are synced, click sync. That's it.